But if anybody knows the African Union, by the way, I've got NEPAD right over here. But if anybody knows African Union, and you can pass this on, Ethiopia is not too far away for you. Please, I have Vugani. I don't know what the hell African Union does. Actually, I don't even know what the hell you do as NEPAD. Honestly, you know what I mean? Like, I don't understand, like, the role of it as a layman. Okay, that you're supposed to be representing. Okay, but okay, I'll leave Chizoba alone, shame for child. What I'm saying about these organizations is that we don't actually quite grasp what it is that they do. And they're supposed to be representing us in whatever that they do. So fine, that's what they do. So I'm gonna walk into African Union and say, guys, what do they call mandate for the youth of Africa? What's your communication? Where's your communication department? What is it that you want to say to the youth? You know, are you running out of words? Because we are writers, Tina. You know what I mean? This is what we do. And then we inspire in our words. So here's a song for you, first of all, Vugani, for African youth, and we can do it in all the languages. Swahili, you talk about Arabic, all the way in North Africa. Yes, French, you talk about it. We'll remix it, no, in terms of, we will interpret it in all those languages, for all of them to hear this one message. Yes, so, you know what I mean? And then I said, yes, please, North Africa, Tunisia, and I've got connections all the way there. Don't worry. That's why I remember them. Algeria, I got the connect, please, huh? So I need to cover all my people. But then another thing like this is another piece that I'm about to do, which is poetry. And it's really, you're going to have to calm down. And we're going to do, it's called United We Stand. Needing for everyone to understand what I'm about to say to you, I say to you in English.